In this video, I'm going to show you a few things that you can do to initially set up your Gmail inbox. It'll only take a few minutes, and it'll help you to feel a lot more comfortable with using Gmail. Let's begin by clicking the settings icon, which is on the top right corner of the screen. Click the settings option. When you scroll down, you'll see the section where you can set up your email signature. The easiest way to do this is to copy and paste an existing signature from another application, like Outlook. However, if your signature includes any images that didn't copy over, you can re-upload the image by clicking the Insert Image button in the formatting toolbar. It's the icon here that looks like a mountain. Once you've clicked on this button, you have the option to insert an image into your signature from Google Drive, from your computer, or from a web address. You can also use the formatting toolbar to make any adjustments to the look and styling of your email signature, such as bold, italics, underlining, and other formatting options. In the settings menu, you also have the option to enable desktop notifications. When the desktop notification setting has been enabled, you'll see a pop-up notification after new email messages arrive, as long as you are signed into Gmail and have it open in your web browser. The first time that you enable this setting in Gmail, your web browser will ask you to confirm that you would like to allow notifications. After selecting the option here to enable desktop notifications, make sure to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and click the Save Changes button. For the best experience with desktop notifications, we recommend that you use the Google Chrome web browser, since it's able to have the strongest integration with Gmail. Now that you've saved your changes in the setting menu, we're back to the main Gmail inbox. From here, let's take a look at a couple more options that you have to personalize the look and the feel of your inbox. In the upper right corner, click on the gear icon and select Display Density. The display density setting gives you 3 different options to decide how much space you would prefer to see between various interface elements within Gmail. If you choose the default option, you will get a preview of your email attachments from your inbox. Gmail gives you another option to change how much space is visible within the inbox. To make room for previewing your email, you can expand or shrink your inbox view by clicking on the menu that's located in the upper left corner of the screen. When the left side menu is hidden, you can hover over it to quickly access any of the left side content that you might need, such as labels, drafts, and starred items. Finally, you may have already noticed the Hangout section in the lower left corner of Gmail. Hangouts is Google's messaging and chat system. If you find that you might need some more space on the left side of the screen, especially as you begin to add new labels into Gmail, you have the option to move the Hangouts tool over to the right side of Gmail. To do this, click the gear icon to open the settings menu, and click on the Advanced tab. Locate the right side chat option, select Enable, and then click the Save Changes button. After Gmail has reloaded, you'll see that the Hangouts module has moved over to the right side of the screen and your left side content has expanded vertically. In the next video in this series, I'll show you how to utilize the various search options within Gmail.